Hi everyone, Michelle here, and today I'm going to show you how to install your seat on your Skoot tricycle. When you take the seat out of the box, the screw will be in the bottom. You'll just pull that out, put the seat on. There's only one height. I like to turn it over, and then from the back you're going to insert that screw again until you can't go any further with it. Then you'll take your Allen wrench and you'll screw that in until it's nice and tight. All right, now we're going to turn this over. And that is how you install the seat on your Skoot tricycle. Thanks for watching our video today. Give us a thumbs up, a like. We welcome any comments in the comment section or questions.